They will be brothers and sisters. Muslim, brothers and sisters. Islamic, brothers and sisters. We are brothers and sisters. We are to be saved. Brothers and sisters. Allah, SWT. I said to you, I ask Allah for a prayer. We asked Dalasha Chalasha prayer, Lord. We asked Allah for prayer. Brothers and sisters, recite Al-Fatiha for me. Brothers and sisters, pray for me. Brothers and sisters, pray for me. Someone to support me, and someone to support me. If it's a follow, if it's a share, if it's a repost, and if it's help, both. Brothers and sisters, support me with what you support me with. We are to be saved. We've been talking about it for a long time. Brothers and sisters, I share its situation with you. Okay, may Allah bless you. I ask for your help and support. Brothers and sisters, I ask for your help and support. Help me. May Allah help you. Plus 25, 29, 0, 4, 43, 27, 54. Rashir Maxamud. His name is